Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your downloads on your Xiaomi phone. So if you downloaded something, it's very easy to find under the file manager. So just look for this as an option. It's called File Manager, or it could be Files or My Files or something like that. Just select it and you'll probably see recent if you download it under here. So I got like this tap scanner. We can go on over to storage on the bottom here and we can look through here. And we got documents on the top, so we can see all our documents, our images, our music, our videos, etc. So that's everything on the internal storage. Now if you got something on a different location, let's say you got it on a different you got your SD card in here, you can see there's internal storage, so we can tap that and we can switch to a different storage too if you got like an SD card on there too. So just look at this as an option. So you get all of the different filter settings. You can go to storage right here and you can see the breakdown of your storage, so we can go back. But yeah, that's how you can find your downloads very easily. If you go to here, just under recent, you can see everything. You can scroll on down. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.